What's this about? You okay?
I needed to sign the sale ticket for a client of mine.
Fuck Greg. Let's fucking deal with this break right now and get it over with.
Wait. I got arrested last night. The FBI arrested me.
The FBI? Why the fuck would the FBI arrest you?
Because of my involvement in this firm.
Your involvement with the firm? What the fuck does that mean?
Come on, you know what that means?
No! I don't know what that means. What the fuck does it mean? What did you say to them?
No. They knew everything. They had photographs. They had tape recorded conversations. They even brought my father in, you know. There was nothing I could do.
What did you do?
The FBI is going to raid this place in 20 minutes.
What the fuck? Seth, come on!
Come on! I asked you for months about the shit that goes down here. And you told me to shut the fuck and get ready to be a millionaire.
Yes! Shut the fuck up, that's all you had to do. Did you learn anything?
I learned how to fuck people out of their money. Harry Bernard just lost his life's savings. And it wasn't a will. He was just some poor schmuck, and I took him. I did everything JT Marlin told me to do. And I made up his mind for him.
What do you want me to tell you? That's what we do here.
We lie. We are liars.
Yes, where? Who are they coming for?
They're coming for everyone. They're coming for everything.
You know how hard I've worked?
Look, you need to forget about that. It doesn't matter. Right now, this moment is what you should be thinking about. What are you going to do in the next 15 minutes? They are going to come in here and they will make sure we never trade another share of stock again. We can do something. Harry, my client, I need a senior broker to sign the sale tickets for his shares so he can take them and dump them in the open market and get his money back. Come on, what's the difference? Do one thing right here. Just sign it. Please.